Designed for easy installation in your RZR Pro R, there's no cutting of your dash and only a few holes need to be drilled to secure the radio mount. Installation can be completed in just a couple of hours. Before we begin, it may help to have a visual of where your complete radio and intercom assembly will be positioned in the vehicle when complete. Shown here, the intercom is neatly mounted on the passenger side in the open space. An exterior panel protects the intercom, hides cable clutter, and houses the mobile radio for a look that's like a factory installation. Step 1. Remove the seats. Pull the release lever to release the seat and then remove it from the vehicle. Do this for all seats. Step 2. Install the active filter. Remove the storage compartment as shown to access the pulse bar. Detach the plug cover on the far left connection of the pulse bar. Connect the power lead from the active filter. Secure the ground strap to the opposite end of the pulse bar. Now feed the active filter down behind the dash. We'll finish connections later. Step 3. Install push-to-talk buttons. Using the straight cord push-to-talk, push the cable through the open space next to the grab bar as shown. Follow the instructions with your push-to-talk button on how to secure it and provide cable strain relief to reduce cable tension. Repeat the installation for the driver's side with the coil cord version of the push-to-talk. Step 4. Install the remote head rocker switch. Remove the switch cover and feed the cable into the switch hole. Push the rocker into position until it clicks in place and feed the cable down behind the dash. Step 5. Install the radio in the mount. Install the radio in your mount with the supplied screws that came with your radio. Attach the rugged ready accessory hub to the mount as shown. Step 6. Antenna installation. Drill a 3/8 inch hole in the roof. Insert the NMO cable through the hole. Next, attach the washer and nut and then tighten the nut. Attach the antenna. Loosen the 4 bolts on the roof so you can slip the R-wraps between the roof and roll cage. Begin running the cable along the roll cage and secure it using R-wraps. R-wraps are reusable and won't pinch or damage the cable. Continue securing the coax cable along the cage, down and along the center console towards the radio mounting location. Step 7. Cables. First, remove the push pins and remove to side cover next to the seat. Run the headset cables along the center console. As a recommendation, use optional P-clips to keep your cable organization and installation clean. Run both headset cables up and across the crossbar. You can either secure the headset or helmet kit cables to the seat belts with R-wraps or use an optional mounting configuration shown here with jack mounts. Connect the rocker switch to the front of the intercom and then connect the power leads from the active filter. Attach all headset and radio cables, power cables, and the antenna coax cable. Then connect the radio to the intercom. Step 8. Intercom installation. In the passenger side footwell storage compartment, install the intercom mount as shown here with the supplied hardware. Install the intercom into the mount and tighten the screws. Step 9. Panel installation. With all cables connected to both your radio and intercom, it's time to secure the console panel. Position the panel, feeding the cables through the openings, aligning near the Polaris LED light and resting on the Polaris kick panel as shown. Once properly positioned, drill pilot holes and secure with the supplied hardware. Step 10. Install the radio assembly. Install the radio and mount assembly as shown here. The mount assembly is designed almost like a puzzle piece to aid in proper placement. Step 11. Finish up. Reinstall the side panel with the push pins. Reinstall driver and passenger seats. Step 12. You're done. Your installation is complete. It's always best to test radio and intercom performance in an outdoor open area. As always, Rugged Radio stands by to help with any questions you have. Check out product manuals and instructions online or give us a call for assistance. Get ready to go further.